My production advice for people who really want to break through is, number one, don't give up, because success starts where the others give up. Number two, be really sure that you love making music and that you don't want to impose someone, because it's about making music and not being the superstar DJ. And number three, and this is more a practical thing, before you buy gear, before you spend loads of money for very expensive keyboards, have a well acoustically treated room. Because when you have a room where you make music which is not treated well, then it's like a painter who paints a picture with glasses which are full of colors. So it just makes sense if you really know what you paint. And in order to know what you paint / the music you are creating, you have to hear it. So spend your money into a great treated acoustic room as much as possible. That's my advice.